A very good evening to one and all. In this video, I will discuss about the aftermath of tragic accidents in our country. The industrial accidents. They are not just distant, but the tragic, but the raw human tragedy. So if I talk about the industries accidents, as per the data, 6,500 industries accidents happened in our country in the last 5 years. Recent accident was in the Sighachi industries in Telangana and was a firecracker industry in Tamil Nadu. The data says in 2022, the data published that over the last 3 years, that means from 2020 to 2022, there have been 250 fatalities with 130 accidents and 300 plus injuries in our country. So this means, if I talk about the data, that means every single day, at least 3 people are losing their lives because of industries accidents. So this is a human tragedy. If I talk about not just of Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu or Telangana, this is a case of every state in our country, whether it is Chhattisgarh, Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu, Gujarat, Uttar Pradesh. Just let's take an example of Gujarat. The data says in 2021, 60 industries accidents have happened in Gujarat, where several people lost their life. So this is not just a disaster, because we all know that the people say that it's a God call, but this is not a call of the God. This is a natural disaster. This is not a natural disaster, but a man-made. These are the results of carelessness of the people, institutions, and the whole system that failed to deliver a safety precautionary environment to these workers. And who are these workers? The migrant workers, those who have even a language problem in a different state or city, the economically backward persons, or the people, those who are facing difficulties in their life, and when they lost their life, who suffers? Their family, an orphan child, or those people who have been sitting at their houses or waiting for their comeback after so many months to celebrate festival with their family, even once or twice a year. So this is a case. This is a human tragedy in our country. And these safety precautions by both top to bottom, higher authorities to lower authorities, are considered as a burden, not as a core value. And that's why we people are suffering. And if I talk about the reasons are no objection certificate to the industries. Even the inspectors, those who come, they just tick the boxes. There's those boxes who were related to the inspections. There is no fire equipments, there is no emergency exit, there is no fire alarms or fire sensors. So each and everything that is related to safety, if I talk about. And the non-objection certificates, even someone are having. So they are also being provided after some bribery case or some any other case, even we can't think about it. So these are the serious considerations that we need to think about. These are not just a system which should be reformed, but this need a conscious approach from top to bottom and bottom to top. From each and every individual, those who are taking part in our economic activity, in our democratic activities, need to raise their voice, so that these workers, those who are losing their life daily, need to get some justice. Thank you.